Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a BECCA model E300A manual automatic paint spray gun cleaner. It is made in the USA. The features include a switch for turning the flow brush on or off, a switch for turning the wash basin on or off, a switch for turning the Power Clean compressed air quick disconnect on or off, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control. A power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control. A BECCA water-resistant Power Clean compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control. An OSHA-approved blow-off gun with adjustable airflow control. An air regulator with water trap and shut-off valve. A 5-gallon waterborne cleaning solution container. A clarification kit which includes 3 5-gallon containers plus a set of dual filters. A bubbler for easy agitation of the fluid during the offline flocculation process. A starter kit of BECCA water wave additive and clarifier packets. Laminated posters with spray gun cleaning instructions in English and Spanish, and a step-by-step clarification instruction. Optional Heater 5 general purpose heat container or optional Heater EXP heat on demand systems both raise the fluid temperature to about 120 degrees, making the spray gun cleaner more effective.
Innovation for waste minimization.